So today guys, we're in McDonald's. And guess what, Happy Meal? It's become a space explorer. But what is it? What is it? Peanut that is flying. We got a person that is no idea what is he doing. And oh, something's missing. That shouldn't be there. Actually, it should actually. Well, we got this one too. And it's going to crush us. That's good, he didn't do it. So now we got this one. Is a book. I don't know what is that book about. I never had it before. And yeah. So today guys, we got the ketchup here. Another ketchup there. Wait, this is not ketchup. This is another thing. And oh yes. Now this is ketchup. Not ketchup. Not ketchup. Okay, just stop that now. So oh, there's a drip there. Dun dun dun. So and we got this sauce. What is that? Anyway, let's go.